My name is Al Rogers, President of Car Engineering and Manufacturing. Prior to JobBOSS, it was a painful and labor-intensive process. We have lots of different jobs that we go through, and going through each one manually definitely took a lot of time and energy. So it's a lot faster, a lot easier with JobBOSS to take a look at each job individually right on my screen and see if we need to increase the price, if material went up, if labor took longer, than to try to just keep track of it manually. It just becomes too much as you grow. We'd have to have three purchasing managers to keep up, and I'd rather not have three purchasing managers. The way JobBOSS² has improved our job costing process is having it all in one spot. Labor, material, plating, everything is right there for to look at. We can run it with 7-8 jobs, compare all the different jobs, which ones ran faster, which ones ran slower. It's just streamlined it completely. It makes it a lot easier for us to figure out how we're making money, where we can make money, where we can do better. To look at 8 different jobs, the last 8 jobs that we had manually would be next to impossible. Where with JobBOSS², it could put the 8 jobs right next to each other and do it very quickly, look at them all, see what the differences are, and see how we're doing better or how we're making more money. I would recommend JobBOSS² to other fabricators and machine shops because it's a very user-friendly system, and it makes everything very easy to follow. And as far as all the way through quoting to order, invoicing to profitability to everything, having everything in one-stop shop makes it very easy to use, and we've very much liked using JobBOSS².